guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my July kit lineup for you guys. So you guys can see all the kits that I'm planning on using this month in my planner. So let's just get into it and I'll explain which ones I'm using, why I'm using them, and yeah. So let's get into it. Alright, so for the first week of July, last week of June, I'm going to be using this 4th of July kit. This is a hand-drawn kit. My sister did the artwork for this, and this is in our old format. And just so you know, all of the sticker kits like this in our old format are currently in our last chance section, and it's an automatic 50% off. So like these kits are $20 and they're now $10. So we have a ton of them in there. So we have fall, Christmas, like all the different types. So definitely go check that out if you want to get some money off. They're also on Etsy, but they're a little bit more on Etsy. Like I don't remember the original price. It's still 50% off, but it's not gonna be $10. It's gonna be a little bit more over there because of Etsy fees and whatever. But anyway, all that to say, this is the kit that I'm using. This is what it looks like. It's just a basic, you know, 4th of July sort of kit. I thought I could use this because one, I already had it like in stock, and I have like a lot of 4th of July kits. So I was like, I'll just go ahead and use it for this week. I thought about using a birthday kit because my grandma's birthday and one of my friend's birthdays is on the 2nd. But I just went ahead and was like, I'll just do this kit because I don't think I did this kit last year. And then for this week, the actual week of 4th of July, I'm using this kit from our shop. I believe this one's called Freedom, but don't quote me on that. I might be wrong. But this is in our newer format, which I am so excited. I'm loving the new format. Like anytime I have to switch back to the old format, I'm like, oh man, like I just miss the newer format, you know? So I'm really happy with the way that these newer kits are formatted. So obviously I'm using this one this week because this is the week of the 4th of July. So that is that. So that kit goes here. And then the next week, I don't really have anything going on this next week. So I thought it would be kind of fun to do something a little bit different. And I'm using our Sweet Succulent kit. This is also in our old format, so therefore it is 50% off right now. And it just, you know, I feel like this is a good anytime kit and I wanted to use it. So yeah, I love the colors. I think it's just really pretty, and I may change my mind, but honestly, like, I just felt like this was the perfect time to use it. I know it's not like a super, I mean, I guess it could be summertime kit, but like, oh, I have, that's funny, I have 2 of these sheets. It only comes with 1, but I had 2, apparently I had 2 in stock. So I will be using this for this week, most likely. I may change my mind. If I do, you guys will see it in a plan with me. So for this week, we're actually going to the lake over the weekend. So I figured it was a perfect time to use our new Lake Life kit. And this one is obviously in the new format. This one just released last weekend. Yeah, this past weekend. So it's new. We did have it in the shop a couple years ago, but it's been reformatted, redone, all the things. So, oops. So yeah, that is what it looks like. And then it obviously has like all these little freebies that come with the kit. So that is our Lake Life kit, and like I said, I'm going to be using that this week because 1, it's a summer kit, but 2, I'm actually going to the lake, so I felt like that was perfect, you know? In the last week of July, some big stuff is happening with my shop. I'm very, very excited about it, but it's kind of like a, I don't want to say a spring clean out because we're obviously in summer, but it's like a mid-year cleanup of my shop. That's why I have a lot of stuff at 50% off right now. I'm just trying to get rid of some stock to move some stuff because big things are happening in the shop. And I'm actually planning on announcing it on the 11th. and then stuff's gonna take place this week. So I figured, why not use this cleaning kit? I love cleaning, first off, and I didn't get to use this for like spring cleaning. I feel like I had a bunch of other kits in the spring, and even though I feel like this may be more springtime, I also feel like it's kind of a good anytime kit. And you know, it's just it's a good kit. So I'm very excited to use this and kind of represent like out with the old, in with the new sort of mindset. So that is my plan with that. This could change to a different kit, and I'll explain in just a second as soon as I show all these freebies that you get with all these new formatted kits. So this week, I'll announce one thing that's happening this week. This isn't like the big major thing, but we normally do a Christmas in July sale in July, obviously. So I am planning on having it this week. That is the plan as of right now. So this week could change just to a Christmas kit because of Christmas in July. I don't know. I don't feel like I want to do that, but I also could see myself being like, well, what the heck, let's do it. So right now my plan is to use the cleaning kit because we're kind of changing, like the Christmas in July sale will kick off this new phase of my store, or this new, what am I trying to say? This fresh start. It's gonna kick off this fresh start with my shop, and I'm very, very excited to share everything with you guys on the 11th. It is a big major change that I didn't think that I would be doing, but here we are, and I'm actually very, very excited about. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, that is the kit that we're gonna be using for July, and that wraps up the month of July. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this kit lineup. Like I said, things can change. Most likely they won't. This is probably what's gonna happen for the month of July, but like I said, any changes you guys will see in a future plan with me. So make sure you subscribe to see that. Make sure you subscribe for the big announcement that will be happening, and just stick around, join the sticker family. And yeah, but that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining me and watching this video. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.